Hi everyone, welcome back to our today. My name is Vanessa and happy Valentine's Day. Today I'll be showing everyone how to make origami hearts. This will be the perfect decoration to celebrate Valentine's Day with, and let's get started. So all you need for this craft is some scissors, some scrap paper, and a coloring pencil if you like. So I already have a piece of paper here that I cut out and colored previously. And now we're just going to flip it inside out like so. So the colored side is on the back. And you're just going to fold a triangle like this. Make sure not to press it too tightly. So you're just going to fold. And you keep folding up. And once you get to the end, you just want to find the place where you can tuck the little flap in. So I'm just going to find a space where I can tuck it in, and I'm just going to cut it. And now I'm going to tuck it in. And now you have a triangle. And now we're going to cut the edges off so it looks like the curve of a heart. Make sure not to cut it too much, or else your heart is going to fall apart. And we're going to do the same on the other side. It's not the most even, but once you fold it in, it should be okay. Now you have a heart. You can also experiment with different sizes. So this time I'll take a bigger piece of paper, and that will give you a bigger heart. And I'll also take a longer length of paper, and we're just going to do the same thing. So we first start with a triangle, and we just keep folding it up. And again, make sure you don't press too tightly. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed learning how to make these super easy origami hearts. They're very pretty, and I hope that you can make good use of them for your decorations. And as always, stay happy, stay creative, and stay healthy. Bye!